Alright, so today's an exciting day. Today, hopefully, the turbo goes back on. So, we'll have to see. Turbo and maybe even the intake. So, fingers crossed. But, let's get started. It has been a few days since you've seen me, but there was a couple meets over the weekend. I filmed some stuff. You'll see a video of that hopefully soon. I went to Import Alliance in Bowling Green, and then Drift Indy and Good Enough Garage, but you'll see some of that later. But I finally got everything on the turbo side buttoned up. I will, before we need to start it, I need to get underneath the car to get, see if I can see it. You see that little 12 mil back there? I need to get underneath so I can actually tighten that. But other than that, the turbo side of the motor, everything like on this layer is bolted down. Obviously I have to have the crossover pipe and the intake in, but those go on last. So it is time to start on the intake side, which is going to be a fucking disaster because it is so many plugs, so many wires, lots of vacuum lines. So wish me luck because I'm going to need it. Alright, so we've made some good progress. I I've got the lower intake manifold in, as well as a bunch of the hoses and connectors re-plugged in. I just have to really figure out where this vacuum stuff goes, but lower intake manifold is done. So now I'm going to move on to the fuel rail and everything that's concerned with that. One thing I've noticed real quick though is that I didn't know this, because this is what the injectors all looked like, but they're fucking silver. I didn't notice that because they're so fucking dirty. But I'm gonna get into cleaning the rest of these, and then we will throw them and the fuel rail back on the motor. Alright, I have to make this kind of quick because my camera's about to die. I'm out of batteries. But made some good progress today. We'll pick this back up tomorrow. But right now I have the fuel rail completely in and plumbed. I got this ready for when the upper intake goes in. So I'm just going to have to bolt that in. All the wiring should be fairly simple. I have mostly everything labeled. So hopefully we'll get this together tomorrow and maybe even start it. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Those of you who support the channel, it means a lot. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to know whenever I post. Follow me on Instagram right here, and I will put a merch link in the description of the video. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.